Hi, I'm Marna, and I have Happy Mail. This is from Jerry. A Happy Hoarder is her channel name. She's funny, she's fun, she does a lot of thrift shop haul videos. She has a lot of dolls. She takes dolls and turns them into, well, other things. She does a lot of zombie makeovers on her dolls, and the art is amazing. She's actually an art teacher. Anyway, I got this. Let's open it and see what it might be. Okay. So, oh wow, this is really cool. Who dat? Gothic Girls, Jerry Taylor. Oh, this is really cool. Dear Marna, when I found these in my goodie bags from Rolling Hills, I immediately thought of you. I knew you would give them a good home, Jerry. Thank you for all those Monster High shoes. Let's see what it is. Oh, tissue paper. I saved that. Uh-oh, looky, looky. A Barbie hanger. Now that would be for the big girls, I'm sure, or my 28-inch. Let's see what we got here. Oh, wow, it is for my 28-inch. And I do not have anything like that. Oh, I do not have anything like that. Thank you so much. Oh, wait, there's more. Oh, wow, Jerry, thank you so much. These are gorgeous. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, thank you so much. My goodness, the girls are ready for New Year's Eve. What fancy dresses. I mean, gorgeous dresses. I love that pink and glitter and black bow. Oh my goodness. And then this one, holy smokes. I don't know which is my favorite, to be honest. Oh, look at this. They're going somewhere pricey. They're going somewhere big. Look at that gown. Just gorgeous. I love these 28-inch dolls, these 28-inch Barbies. I have several. I cannot thank you enough for this Happy Meal. It's a great big deal. Thank you for watching Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.